Hi, everybody. Woo! Thank you all for coming.
Woo!
This year's charity is the Geo Fund. Where's Eddie? Looking right there. He is. Come on up.
I want to thank each and every one of you again for your attendance. It's a roast and toast for organizing this amazing event for 7 years. Let's give it up to Paul and his team, everybody organizing it. Love you guys. Let's have some fun and enjoy some delicious food, everybody. Thank you.